All right, we're in my car right now. We're driving to Curry's PC World. It's around a 35-minute drive. So once we get there, apparently, my best friend has bought me a TV. I don't know if I believe him. He sounds pretty serious about it. But yeah, apparently he's went out of his way and bought me a TV for my birthday. My birthday isn't until June 15th. But yeah, apparently he's gone out and bought me a TV. I have no idea what kind of TV he's bought, what size. I have no idea what he's done. All I know is that apparently he's bought me a TV, which is kind of crazy. I definitely wasn't expecting to get a TV as a birthday present from anyone, let alone like my best friend. For some reason I feel like maybe this is like some kind of prank. It just seems a bit crazy, you know, to buy someone a TV as a birthday present. Oh my god. I genuinely, I don't know whether to believe him or not, but wow. So I'll update you pretty shortly once we get to Curry's PC World, because I think the plan is he's going to be meeting me there. So I think he's already paid for the TV. I don't know. I really don't know what's happening. I have no idea. All I know is that I have to drive to Curry's and meet him to probably pick a TV up or get pranked. I really don't know what's going to happen. I don't have a clue, man. So I'll update you in around half an hour's time once we're there. And if he has in fact bought me a TV, holy crap, dude. Thank you so much. You'll probably see my friend pretty shortly in the video, as if he has actually gone out of his way and bought me a TV, then we'll be driving back to mine. We'll set it all up. It's gonna be a sick time, dude. It's good that he kind of told me that he did buy me a TV, because I almost bought one myself a few days ago. And you know, if I would have done that and he would have, you know, not told me that he ordered me a TV already, I don't need two TVs, okay? I'm living by myself, man. One TV will be enough. I only have one living room, and I definitely don't really need a TV for my bedroom. Not now, anyway. Maybe like sometime in the future, that might be like something worth investing into. But at the moment, definitely not. I'll be happy with one living room TV, that's for sure. Ooh, the traffic today, I'm driving at around like 6 p.m. Traffic's pretty darn bad. All right, so I'll update you in around half an hour's time once we get there and possibly pick a TV up for the living room. Goddamn, dude. Goddamn. I still can't believe that he's done this. Crazy guy. All right, so just pulled up to Curry's PC World. It's over there. My friend's inside. He told me to wait outside. I think they're gonna bring the TV here now. I'm pretty sure they were wrapping something. I don't know what size TV he bought. I didn't see the box at all. I just heard like them packaging the TV up. I think they're gonna bring it out probably in a few minutes. I really don't know. I don't know. Oh my god, they're carrying a TV. No way. No way. That's curved. I think that's a curved TV. What? No way. Dude, is that curved?
Merry Christmas.
Is that No, you haven't. Oh my days, man. I mean, I can put the seats down. What you done? Jesus, man. Okay, I'll unhook these. Just rip it out. I mean, what size is this? I mean, I've got some bubble wrap here and stuff, so that's good. I can't believe you've done this. Dude.
Someone crashed the car, mate.
Nah, alright. We got some more bubble wrap.
Stay safe. There you go. Some more there as well. Happy birthday, mate.
Wait, what the what the hell? Alright, I'm in my car. They just drove off. They just gave me a TV. Like, look at this. There's a I put all the seats down. They just left. They just gave me a TV and left. I'm very much in shock that my best friend just bought me a TV. He said Merry Christmas. Oh my god. Well, whilst I'm here, there's like a shopping center here in Wiz Beach. That's where I currently am. there's like a Dunelm point here. There's a Dunelm over there. So I'm gonna go over to Dunelm as I need to buy some bath towels. So I'll buy some bath towels there, and then I need to go to B&M and buy some tea towels for the kitchen. So once we get all those towels and bath mats or whatever the hell I'm gonna buy, then we should be good to go. We'll head back to you know, where I live in my apartment. We'll mount the TV, I guess. What the hell? I have no idea what model this even is. He just bought a TV. Is it 4K? It's curved. Pretty much all I know about this TV is that it's curved, and it's pretty damn big. Oh my God. All right, so I'm gonna go buy my bath towels, and I guess we'll head home and we'll mount this TV. All right, quick update. We made it home. I've parked my car. The TV is still here. We didn't crash on the way home, which is great. And I did end up going to Dunelm, so I bought some bath mats. I bought 3 in total because I had 1 and we have 4 bathrooms, so I bought 3 more bath mats, and I kind of put them all over the TV. I put 1 at the back and 2 at the front, and I kind of put them beneath the TV and like on the sides, so that when I'm driving, in case the TV kind of goes from side to side, you know, everything's gonna be all good. There is also a bunch of bubble wrap that we kind of put around it. So I think it arrived absolutely fine. It is also wrapped in like, you know, a pretty decent layer of bubble wrap itself, sellotape everywhere and stuff. The next challenge will be to get it up to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th floor. We're gonna take an elevator as well as some stairs, and I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna be carrying it myself as no one came with me. I think my friend who bought me the TV, he's gonna be coming around probably later on tonight. I think he had some business that he had to take care of now. But dude, I'm still very much shocked that he bought me a TV. What? That's like, it was really unexpected when he messaged me saying that, hey, your TV is arriving in a few days. I'm like, what? Get out of here, man. No way. Oh God, all right. Let's get this TV upstairs. Oh my God. We've made it up. We've got the TV. Look how big this thing is. Oh my God. We've done it. We've moved the TV over to the living room. It wasn't easy. If he would have bought a TV any bigger, it would not have fit in my car. No way. Because that TV took up like my entire car pretty much. Like if he would have gone ahead and bought like a 65-inch TV or like a 70-inch TV, I don't think that would have fit in the car. No way. This is a 55-inch. Yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty good. Hopefully it's VESA mountable or whatever kind of mounting technology this uses. I think we can do VESA. I don't know. We'll see, we'll see. Let's get this thing unwrapped, yeah? Oh my God, dude. I didn't think I'd have a TV for a while, but here we are, a few days after moving in. Best friend decides to buy me a TV as like an early birthday present, but he said Merry Christmas for some reason. Oh my God, man. Okay, this did come really well packaged actually. There's like 3, maybe 4 layers of bubble wrap. So I think even if we didn't pack it ourselves with like all those bath mats, I think it would have probably still been absolutely fine on the journey home. Although there is a lot of sellotape, I'll tell you that. That's gonna be a bit annoying to get off. I broke a sweat carrying that TV up. Luckily we have an elevator here, so that helped a lot. But carrying it up like a few flights of stairs, ooh, that was a challenge. TVs are heavy, I'll tell you that. I wonder if it's 4K. I mean, the fact that it's curved probably tells you a lot. There's a good chance this probably is 4K. Is this it? Ooh, I mean, I can kind of see the back of the TV now. One thing you definitely don't want to do is cut the actual TV with the karambit knife. Ah, what the hell was that? Something just freaking electrocuted me. Oh my God, right. The bubble wrap is off. This is a big TV. This is a big TV. Damn, dude. Damn. I think it's done shocking me now. Okay. How the hell do you even mount things on this? What is this thing? Okay, do I loosen this? Okay, so this goes up and, okay, so this goes in. I mean, I don't see any obvious, I need like screws. I don't see any obvious way to attach this. Okay, there are massive screw holes there, but I don't have any screws. I think for now we might have to put it on the stand because I don't have a choice. I mean, right, this is what we're currently working with here. This looks a bit bigger than VESA 100 by 100, but the spacing here is quite big. And what I thought I could maybe do is, you know, kind of take these screws out and mount it onto that directly instead of this swivel thing, because this swivel thing, like, it didn't come with screws. So like, I can't use it. There's no way for me to attach this onto that. I need screws, surely. Right, so what I'm gonna do is order a bunch of screws for VESA mounts. So we should be able to hopefully mount this TV by Wednesday, as that's when the screws will get here. I've got to move my Amazon Echo. I might relocate it entirely, so I don't really need it to be here. We can take this, the Orbi voice, we'll just kind of put you down here for now, as there's still no internet, so nothing works. I don't even know if this TV will work. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know, man. We have no internet. We probably won't have any kind of TV signal or whatever. Oh my lord, it's turned itself on already. What? Okay, just chill for now. Ooh, bruh. Hello?
I don't think the screws come with it, so I think you're gonna have to order some new ones.
Yeah, I have to buy some on Amazon, because there's no way I can mount it.
Is it working though?
I mean, it just turned itself on, yeah. Oh my.
Is that a smart feature?
Bro, I've got no internet here anyway.
Does that have apps and stuff like Netflix, all that kind of stuff?
I don't know, it just says HDMI 1, no signal.
Alright, fair play.
I have an idea. Oh my god. We have a different TV stand over here with no wall mounting feature, so we can use this guy instead. There we go, now it actually kind of fits on the table. Sick. It's pretty much center as well. Apparently I've got another parcel. What have I ordered? I don't even know what I've ordered. Yeah. Ooh, my laundry basket is here, okay. Oh, and all these items too. Ooh, and these. Okay, so we have like some accessories for the kitchen. More accessories for the kitchen. Kitchen canisters. Ooh. We have a TV remote. Luckily it came with batteries. Hopefully they're charged. Boom. Does the remote work? Does the remote work? Oh my lord, there was a bird on top of my window. I'm like, what the hell is that sound? Ooh, maybe all the banging sounds. Like in the previous vlog, there was a really loud noise out of nowhere. I'm pretty sure it's the birds that live on top of the roof here, because there's literally nowhere else any sound could come from, other than like my one neighbor beside me. All right, there's been a bit of a change of plans. We are not going to be mounting the TV on that bracket thing on the other TV stand. Instead, we're using this TV stand that also came with the apartment, luckily. And to be honest, I feel like this one looks quite a lot better. And look, the TV's working. We're currently on YouTube, man. I've never really used TVs much, as back at home, we have a TV in the living room, but I would never ever be in the living room. If I want to watch YouTube, if I want to do anything, I'm watching it in my setup. But now I can watch it on a TV, and the YouTube app on the TV is actually real cool. So if I go on the YouTube app on my phone, as long as the TV and my phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, which they are, as we have Wi-Fi here now, luckily. I think earlier in this video I mentioned that there was no Wi-Fi in this apartment. Luckily we have Wi-Fi now. If you want to go watch what my internet speeds are and how we actually set it all up and got it all to work, as we don't have broadband, but we have a different type of internet connection that's pretty darn good. So if you want to go watch my internet video, press on the cards on the screen now and watch that. But let me show you how cool this YouTube app is. All right, so we actually have the video that you were watching on here now. So if we stream this to the TV, beautiful. There we go. So you're watching TechBlock, watch TechBlock. Very cool stuff. So yeah, it all works. We have like this kind of smart remote from Samsung, and then we have a normal remote. The batteries in this remote didn't work earlier because I tried to use it. I pressed a bunch of buttons, nothing was happening. So I'm like, what does this remote do, man? But the Samsung smart remote thing, this gray one, that was working fine. I replaced the batteries on this black remote here, fixed everything. So this can be used to like adjust the volume, change the channels and stuff. I don't really have much experience with TV, so this was kind of a learning experience for me. Like at first, I tried to change the volume through this Samsung smart remote, and it was driving me nuts because there's a volume button, but I'm pretty sure all that button does is mutes volume. So yeah, I was pressing that and a bunch of other buttons, and nothing was working for probably, I don't know, half an hour while I tried to increase the volume of the TV. Eventually replaced the batteries on this remote, and you know, it actually has a volume up and down button. Pretty useful stuff. But YouTube works, Netflix works, everything works, man. It's sick. We can like watch other YouTubers as well. We have Jay's 2 cents, we have Linus, Jay's 2 cents again, we have Graham, Stefan. I don't really watch as much YouTube nowadays, But ooh, look, we have all my videos here, uploads for channel TechBlock. So sick, dude. I don't know if I've mentioned any of the specs of this TV. It's 4K, it's HDR, it's a 55-inch, it's from Samsung. It has all these Samsung smart apps, which are pretty cool. So we go on this remote and we press this. We got a bunch of apps and stuff. So we got YouTube, we have an ad, lovely, Apple TV. Is that a thing? Maybe I need to get like an Apple TV box. I don't know if they're any good, but I have an iPhone. Maybe that could be useful. One thing that's missing on here in terms of apps though is Now TV. I'm pretty sure Game of Thrones is on there. It's a darn good TV, even during the daytime with all this natural light. You know, we have a freaking skylight there, so many windows everywhere. The TV still looks really bright, which of course is, you know, quite important. But yeah, apart from that, I don't want to make this video too freaking long. Thank you all so much for watching. And of course, massive shout out to my best friend who, out of nowhere, bought a TV for me for my birthday. But my birthday's not until June 15th. Bartek, if you're watching this, man, which you probably are, I hope you are. Thank you so much, bro. Much appreciated. You're always welcome to come over, man. I'll leave his Instagram in the description down below as well. Probably first link in the description. Go give him a follow, show him some love. Damn. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.